This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Advantages. Global warming can change the climatic conditions and atmospheric temperature of the Earth. Severe cold zones will experience warm climates, which can enhance plant and animal growth in those regions. The temperature required to warm the frozen areas will decrease due to global warming. This means saving a lot of energy at the global level. The period of each season will change to the change in atmospheric temperature. This, in due course, will increase the cultivation and productivity of agricultural crops. The floods that ensue global warming will carry the fertile sediments to distant areas with less vegetation. These deposits will cause the origination of new regions of cultivable land. During the winter season, most of the roads in cold countries will face road blockage due to the fall of snow. Global warming will become a threat to it and will save a lot of money that may involve clearing and keeping the ice blocks off the roads. The higher level of carbon dioxide will increase plant growth on the Earth. The plants will get more carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. This will accelerate their growth, thereby releasing more oxygen to the atmosphere. Conclusion. Global warming is caused due to the release of an increased percentage of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These gases are formed mainly out of various human habitats and the installation of human amenities. The power plants installed worldwide emit vast amounts of carbon dioxide when the organic fuel applied to them is burnt to produce electricity. Automobiles used by people pollute the atmosphere in countless ways. Gases released from refrigerators and industrial structures add more hazards to the ozone layers of the atmosphere. They aggravate the global warming process to a higher level. People's health and hygiene are affected severely and constantly by atmospheric pollution. Various diseases like asthma, viral infections, tuberculosis, etc., will become rampant as a result of these. Moreover, this phenomenon increases the occurrence of clouds worldwide, which are evolved through frequent atmospheric changes. As per global dimming theories promulgated by scientists, global warming will reflect solar radiation, resulting in the reduction of temperature in the atmosphere. These scientists and environmentalists argue that global warming can be a threat to the environment and can create dangers to every living creature, especially human beings, in one way or the other. But it does not mean that it will only bring disaster or catastrophe. It has its merits, too. If the situation is viewed pragmatically, global warming can accelerate the adaptability of frozen regions like Siberia, the Arctic, and the Antarctic to human habitation. It will prevent people around the world from fearing the possibility of another ice age and the calamities that ensue. Energy consumption will become minimal for warming the extremely cold regions during winter. The change in climatic conditions will act as instrumental in boosting agricultural production in many areas of the Earth, which is now lying barren. And lastly not least, the mountains will grow higher and higher as a countermeasure of nature to face the adversities of the melting glaciers in the steep mountainous regions. Did you like this global warming advantages and new look at the phenomenon sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.